Most reviews on EZ Battery Reconditioning tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does, so I put it through the matrix, broke down the mechanism, checked the guides, looked at what real users are reporting. This is the review matrix. Here's what I found. Here's what's actually going on with dead batteries. Most people dealing with it aren't failing because they haven't tried to save money. They're failing because the things they've tried only address the surface symptom, buying a cheaper replacement, not the real reason your wallet keeps taking a hit. That quiet frustration of doing everything right, watching your budget and still getting slammed with a sudden $120 car battery bill, that's the gap EZ Battery Reconditioning is designed for. When I broke down how EZ Battery Reconditioning actually works, it targets the internal chemical buildup directly, not just tossing the battery in the trash. That's the distinction that matters. Most alternatives work at the symptom level, buying a new battery every few years, which is why your savings fade. This goes a layer deeper. It uses simple DIY methods to reverse the battery's age. It relies on basic supplies you already have in your kitchen or garage. More targeted, less guesswork. Running through the key components, the step-by-step picture guides, this is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses the fear of having zero technical skills. You literally just look at the pictures and copy what Tom and Frank do. Frank's Battery Business Guide. I hadn't seen a bonus formulated this way in this category before. It shows you how to get dead batteries for free and flip them for big profits. Lifetime updates and support. Easy to overlook, but it's what makes the other two actually compound instead of cancel each other out. If you ever get stuck, you just email the creators directly. Based on the breakdown and what consistent users are reporting, early on, 15 to 25 minutes, most people notice a fully revived car, laptop, or power drill battery that holds a charge like it's brand new. Midterm, months, that tends to build into hundreds of dollars saved on replacement costs with consistency. Long-term, you completely eliminate the $15,000 the average person wastes on batteries over a lifetime. Not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Pull up the guides on your phone, tablet, or print them out, and follow the visual steps. Fits into a lazy Saturday afternoon without friction. The timeline most people report meaningful results is about 10 to 15 minutes per battery. Not a disclaimer, just how these methods work. The first fix lays the foundation. The compounding money savings kick in after. One variable I always factor in: refund policy. EZ Battery Reconditioning comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. I treat that as a confidence metric. Companies don't offer real return windows on products they know underdeliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your situation, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is in the description. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. It includes the $47 discounted price and all 3 free bonuses. Go through it, cross-check what I've covered, and run your own matrix. You've got everything you need to decide. If you've already run your own test on EZ Battery Reconditioning, I genuinely want to hear what you found. Drop it in the comments. The more data points, the clearer the picture gets for everyone.